Friends, Sam here. Very good afternoon. Today what we are going to talk about, we'll talk about Salesforce Einstein. Einstein, that's the name of the scientist, right? So what is this Salesforce Einstein? Basically it is analytics product from Salesforce side, which you can integrate with any Salesforce product, and whatever Salesforce data it will have, your customer data, business data and everything, it will apply its analytics and intelligence on that, and it can give you a lot of insights which will be beneficial for your customers. For example, sales team in your customers organization, they will able to anticipate forthcoming opportunities. They can visualize the opportunity before that opportunity arrives. That can happen. Services team, they can predict their tickets which will be raised in the future, and they can be ready beforehand for that. And your marketing team in your customers organization, they can understand customers pattern and they can create personalized experience for your customers leads. So this is what Salesforce Einstein can do with your business data. I hope this helps.